Hello guys, Judy here from Just8ate.com, and today we're doing an unboxing video. Look how she's excited. It's a mystery who gave it to me. Alright, so I went to my P.o. box and I got a package. Fifi, a package, yeah. And so, thank you so much for sending me this. It's a mystery who gave it to me. Comment down below if you think, who you think got me this package. Anyways, so I'm gonna get my handy dandy scissors and open this guy up. So thank you so much for everyone, all my aiders that are sending me stuff in the P.o. box. I really appreciate you. You have no idea. You think, oh, you're a YouTuber, you're supposed to say that. I know, right? But I seriously touched sometimes. Like, it really touches my heart. Like, I could cry about it, okay? Literally, seriously. Oh, what's good? Look at, oh, these are straws, reusable, colorful straws. Oh, you guys, you're so sweet. So they're the rainbow, like unicorn, mermaid kind of colored, reusable straws. Oh my god! Look at, she's like, get over it. Oh my god, and it comes with a cleaner. I go like this. Okay. Aww. There's a note in here. Magical note. The note. Come out. Come out. Okay. Aw, thank you. It is, okay, so it's a, right? A gift for you. Enjoy your gift. Love you, girl. From, that's right. You have to see in the end of this video to know who gave me this stuff. But oh my gosh, enjoy your gift. Love you, girl. From, oh my god. I love you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the box. Do you see the box? All right. I don't know if you guys don't know. Well, he's camera shy, but other than Luis behind the camera, it's Grandpa, and he's enjoying this unboxing, by the way. I'll insert a picture of them here. But oh my gosh, Sea Mermaid Party Box. OMG. Look at, awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, I wanna cry. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love you. You think I'm being dramatic, but I really, oh, what? Girl, I love you. It's a mermaid cup. She knows how much I love mermaids. Oh my gosh, isn't this so pretty? Can you see from the lighting? Oh my gosh, and look, it's fin. What is that? Scales in the mug, and look at the handle. It's a mermaid fish. Oh my god, and it's my color. Oh, it matches my bow. Thank you. And it comes with reusable straws with the cleaner. She knows how much I'm kind of cleaning. I will bleep that out because I don't think that's a nice word. I don't know. But anyways, oh my gosh, homegirl. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you. My aider, my best friends. Oh my god. DeezTingzASMR. Oh my gosh. DeezTingzASMR. ASMR! I love you, DeezTingz, D'Angela. I love you. I love you. DeezTingzASMR, if you guys don't know, she started another YouTube channel. And go ahead and follow her on Instagram. She loves unicorns, so we like sisters, you know, because I'm all about like mermaids and she's all about like unicorns and everything. So anyways, D'Angela, you didn't have to, you know. I love you so much. Oh, don't make me cry because I got makeup on today, okay? Oh my god, thank you. You are so sweet. You're too sweet to me. Oh my gosh, it's like Christmas, before Christmas. Or maybe I'll upload on Christmas. No, I won't do that. I'll probably do it soon. But, but oh my gosh, enjoy your gift from D'Angela. DeezTingzASMR, I love you. I love you. Fifi, look. It's a mug. It's a mug. It's a mermaid mug. From our sister. Aww. Aww, thank you, sis. Wow, I'm just like surreal right now. I don't know if I'm gonna put that in the video or cut it out, I don't know. I'm just like, oh my gosh, thank you so much, right? I'm like, whoa, man. Loving it. Ah! All right. Whew. I'm just going full of like love emotion right now. Loving it, loving it, love, love, loving it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Whew. So, that being said, are you an hater that would like to send me something? I will definitely put the P.o. box right here. And thank you so much. I love you guys. I love, 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 love how you guys are sending me stuff through the P.o. box. I really appreciate it. Definitely hit the like button for me if you like this video. And maybe you know someone that likes mermaid stuff and would be interested in this kind of cup. Definitely share out this video. And definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell if you like this kind of content. Oh my gosh, my eaters, thank you so much. Here's a shout out of the week from the last uploaded video.
Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below.
I'm gonna love this cup, dude. Grandpa, look at this cup. Isn't that cute? Please don't break my cup. Quick story. I love how DeezTingz send me another cup because I end up finding out that my favorite Japanese mug was broken and was chipped. And so I was saying that like, oh my gosh, I've had this Japanese mug from Hawaii like for 10 years now, and someone was washing it and chipped it, and now it's cracked. And so when now I'm just like, DeezTingz, you knew exactly. You know exactly I needed this. I love you. You know I will be using this, right? You know that, right? Oh my god, homegirl. You are the best. Cheers, haters. Alright. But yeah, how does she know to get me a mug? I love you. I love you. I love you. She's done now. She's done. She's like, I'm done with this. Oh my gosh, thank you. I love you. Yeah. She's done. She's totally done. She went to the room. But man, I am like stoked and excited about this cup. I'm gonna be drinking tea out of this cup and coffee and yeah, if you guys don't know, I love tea. I love hojicha. I'll show you my favorite branded tea right here. And yeah, this is how I'm gonna be enjoying my cup, man. Yeah, all right. Dude, I'm super stoked. I'm gonna cry again. Oh. You think I'm being silly for the camera, right? No, I'm literally. Thank you. I don't know what to say. I just say I love you and thank you. Literally, like, that's how I feel. You know that, right? Yeah, okay. So.
How about this?
What?
Thank you, D'Angela, from the bottom of our heart.
Okay, there you go. Mwah! Oh my gosh. Are you still here? Seriously? Awesome. I love you. Yeah, I do. Definitely, look, she's over it already. She's over it already. Right, Fifi? Fifi! Fifi! Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And you know what I like to say is always, guys, expand your mind as you explore your palette and just keep chasing the flavor, my eighters. I'll see you in the next video, or I'll see you in the video of this one, or like this one.